Welcome back to the Redneck Garage. Today we're going to be showing you how to install your bushings. Look at these. They turned out really good. Really good. No complaints here at all whatsoever. So, we have all of our bushings that Main Street Cycle sent over to us, along with these Super ATV high clearance control arms. Now remember guys, you can't get the rear control arms anymore. So what we need to do is climb up Super ATV's hiney hole and tell them, we want the arms, we want the arms, we want the arms. Share my videos, share my high clearance control arm videos. Share it on Facebook, tag Super ATV in it and say, we want the control arms. Go over and message them, tell them we want them. A lot of people want them and they are not interested, but they'll make the front ones. I don't know. Share the videos, guys. Let's do this together. Let's get these accessories out on the market. Without further ado, let's take a moment and thank Main Street Cycle for sending over these bushings. They're also sending me new ball joints, and they sent me these arms to do videos with. If it weren't for them, we wouldn't be able to be making these videos because number one, I couldn't find these arms anywhere. Number two, I don't have the cash to be doing the videos like this. So definitely go show them some love. If you need a part, if you need bushings, go over and talk to them. Send them a message on Facebook. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright guys, so we're going to show you how to put these in if you ain't got a press. Because you should press these in, but it's okay if you don't have a press. Get a little lube up on there, and then we're just going to tap them in, just like so. Look at that. Go ahead and do the other side. Now you have a control arm with brand new bushings in it. So get up in there like so. Look, that even slid right in. That slid right in. See what this one does. See how easy these go in? So guys, that is how you install the bushings. Now, this, like I said, this is going to be a series of videos you guys are just going to have to watch. We have not got our machine apart, but we're going to have to save the steel pins that the bolt goes through. For these, we're going to have to save those out of the other ones. So we'll show you how to get those out. As for getting old bushings out, I want to show you guys a way, and we can show you with these. So, to get old bushings out, you want to get a screwdriver. I got a bent one because that works best. You want to put that in there and push it right out. Now, sometimes they're not going to come out that easy. So you're going to have to take a hammer and tap it to push them out. And they'll come right out, guys. Sometimes you got to put a little elbow grease into it. But that's all she wrote there. So guys, this is a short, sweet, and simple one. I just wanted to show you guys that and teach you how to do that. They're super easy. Now, the next few videos you're gonna see is me getting the machine tore apart. These, like I said, these are gonna be series. And we want to thank Main Street Cycle for definitely helping us out and allowing us to do these videos. And they've supplied everything for us. So you definitely gotta let them know thank you in the comments, definitely. And stay tuned, because the next videos that you're gonna see are how to install the ball joints. Once we get the ball joints installed, then we're gonna work on the machine and get everything tore apart on the machine, because we're actually gonna have to take out the winch to get these out. And from what I've heard, the bolts can be kind of a pain in the rear to come out. Now, I very, very frequently grease mine. So let's hope that's not the case, but we'll see, and we'll talk about it when we get there. So I want to thank you guys for watching and liking and sharing the videos with everybody. And keep in mind, if you want to see more Super ATV A-arms on the market, guess what we got to do? Comment down below, Super ATV, I want these. I want these. Click the share button on the video and tag Super ATV in it. That's all I can do. Otherwise, we can try to work with other companies and hopefully get stuff like this out to the market. So thank you guys for watching this super simple, quick video. I really appreciate it, and stay tuned for the next one, which is going to be how to press in ball joints. Peace out, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.